here in the master, that should be captured in the slave as well, right? So in case of my master goes down, my slave, the data from my slave will be act as a master, and the data will be fetched from here, correct?
Okay.
So normally replication is nothing but, let us consider one master, one slave. Okay, what are the
Mm.
changes happening in the master will be captured in the slave. So this is process is called replication, and for this is achieved using the binary log. So what binary log will do? The binary log will generate in the master DB. So the generated binary log will be configured with the replication to the slave. So those binary logs will be sent to the slave. So what
Okay.
slave will do? Slave will pass that binary log. Slave will what will do? Slave will open that binary log. What are the changes happen in this the databases? It will record the changes and it will do the same change in the slave itself. Okay.
Okay.
So in this scenario, if my master goes down, means my slave will be act as a master and the data will be it will be connected. The application user connect this slave as a master and they will take the data from here. This is the point.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So that's all about replication.
Okay.
So that's
Okay.
what we are using binary log. So it log the changes.
Log the changes. Okay.
Yeah. Normally every system will have the logs which capture the changes. So that is the binary log.
Binary. Okay.
Then these relay log are for slaves.
Mm-hmm.
In slave, same like binary log. In slave also there should be one log should be there, right? This relay log. What this relay log do means, you see Google relay log do. The relay log consists of like the same like the binary log as I said, right? The relay log same like the binary log, but this relay log will be in the slave environment. Okay.
Okay. Consists of set of numbered files containing events that describe.
So it consists of set of numbered files containing events that database describe changes. So what is the use of slave log? It denotes so what are the changes sending by the say relay log files have the same format as a binary log files and can be read using a MySQL log. Here the explanation will be there, I guess.
Mm-hmm.
So same like it's nothing. It's same like a binary log, but it is in a slave environment, logging all the changes and applying to the slave database.
Locking all changes and applying to the same. Okay.
Yeah, that's the thing. Here, all the changes will be logged in binary log. This binary log is sent to the slave environment. In the slave, it is passed and write into the relay log. So from the relay log, all the changes will be applied to the slave. This is the concept.
Okay.
This binary log is parsed and written into the relay log. From the relay log, the changes are read and applied to the slave server. This is the
Mm-hmm.
concept. Okay.
Okay.
So other than this, two logs are there. One is redo and undo logs. So undo logs are a temporary table space that are used for modifying the data in user defined temporary tables. Okay. So there are two logs is there. Okay. One is
Uh-huh.
there are two logs is there. One is redo log, another is undo log. Okay.
Okay.
This is redo log. This is undo log. So what is the role of undo? What will you control is that is undo. You know, right?
Yes.
That thing.
Yes, that
Yeah.
I know.
It is like it is for undoing things. Have you done anything by mistake? It will undo that.
Yes.
So for re-enhancing the old transaction, this undo will be helpful. Okay. So this
Okay.
Redo means what is that? Redoing things. So in MySQL, normally, if you take like in a MySQL, if you take normally, this is the client, this is my disk where the data is located, this is my disk where data is located. So whenever the client write anything to the MySQL server, this is my MySQL server. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
this is my MySQL server. Whenever the client give any request, this is a client. So whenever the client write any request to the MySQL server, it will
Okay.
write first in this redo log. It will write first in the redo log, and
Okay.
then from this
Mm-hmm.
log, then it write to the disk. Disk is nothing but our storage, permanent storage.
Uh-huh.
So this is the process. So this if a client give any request to the server, it will first write into the redo log, and after that only it will be flushed into the disk. It won't directly write into the disk. Okay, this is the
Uh-huh.
process. So this process is known as write ahead logging. So this write ahead logging. So this write ahead login is achieved by this redo log. Okay.
Okay.
So what redo log does is, let's take an example. You are writing anything that changes will be first logged first in the redo log. Then only this log will apply into the disk for the permanent storage. So why this redo log is necessary means, let us consider in some scenario my MySQL database got crashed. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
my data has not been located in the disk, but it is in the redo log. In redo log the changes are there, but it is not flushed to the disk. The changes in the redo log are not applied to the disk. That time my MySQL server got crashed. So if you again do the crash recovery, again you can restart the server, means the changes in the redo logs will be applied in the disk automatically.
Okay.
You got my point, huh?
Yeah, whatever the logs in the relay log will be uh,
No relay
stored.
log, it's a redo log.
Redo log will be, it will be in disk
Bro,
space.
nothing but bro, this is the permanent storage, bro.
Okay.
This is the permanent storage. Okay, D is the permanent storage. If C is the client, S is the server, R is the redo log. So if
Okay.
client is giving anything, it won't directly write in the disk.
Mm-hmm.
Let us take an example. Let's take Amazon. You are the consumer. Okay, you are applying Amazon. Okay,
Mm.
so Amazon won't, means what to say. The end user won't directly give you that product. It will go to
Okay.
some person, and then person only will come and it will reach you. So that is the thing I am saying. So that must be an intermediate. This is the log that is called the redo log, where all the changes has been logged. So from this only it will be written into the disk.
Okay. Okay.
If you want,
If we
yeah,
have to do any redo, so it will be done in the redo log itself. If it doesn't do any redo, then it will store permanently in the disk.
bro, it won't completely store in the disk, bro. It is the process. I have mentioned this thing. I will remove this thing. It won't directly write into the disk. Now none of the process will write into the disk. This is
Yeah.
the
Okay.
procedure. It will write into the log, and then from this log only it gets flushed into the disk.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So this redo log, why I am saying is, these are the log files which will be helpful, because in case of crash recovery, if MySQL suddenly stops and you can again you start, means this log changes will be happened in this redo log, right? So from this log it will be flushed into the disk.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
How can I explain clearly?
That's okay. Like if in the real time, will now if when you do the example, we'll
Not
get to
it's a
know.
real time, it's a theory, it's a theory part.
Yeah, theory only, like
Concept.
not real time. I mean,
You
when you
need to
start.
understand the concept. This is the concept. Like what to say? Yeah, like it's a Einstein reaction. Einstein's law is there. Like three. So Newton's three law is there. Like same like that only. It is a constant thing. So anything is coming into the database, it is first written into the redo log. then only it will be written into the disk. From this log to log only it will be written into the disk. So this is the process.
Okay, okay, got it. Yeah.
So if you want a clear understanding, you just Google everything and you just learn. Okay,
Mm-hmm. Okay, yeah.
I can give you a hint, but still it is not clear. Means you see
No, no.
concept using. So in undo and read log files in MySQL. Okay, so this is the read log file which will be in your database. IB log file 0 and IB log file 1.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so this will
Okay.
be the your so these are yeah, that's all about logs. Now I will go with the utilization, how to maintain the disk. Okay,
Okay.
so I said right binary logs. So what are the changes happening into the database that will be logged into my binary log? Correct.
Mm. Okay.
So if I'm having a large database, every time I will be logged some changes, new data will be coming, and some changes will be happening continuously. Okay,
Okay.
so the file will be generated. So it will cost like it will have older files, it will have 1 month file, it will have 2 month file. So what it will do, it will be large in size and it will consume the disk space. My disk will be full, right? Suppose
Mm-hmm.
the binary log will be defaultly stored in my data directory only.
Okay.
Normally, my binary log will be stored in data directory only. Unless if you give some path, it will store there. Otherwise, it will get stored in my data directory only. So binary logs can grow in size over time, especially in production systems where many writes operation occur. So in production means so many occurs. Like for example, let's take WhatsApp, Facebook. WhatsApp and all used by so much members. So many members are doing things. So many members are doing things. Let's take Insta. Insta also so many people using. They are coming. They are using video. They are doing multiple things. So everything will be logged in the database, particular database. So those changes are logged in the binary log files, and those binary log files will grow in size, right? For that thing, we will purge. We need to reduce the size of the binary log. There is two types of purging. Purging is nothing but deleting the data. Deleting. Purging is the other meaning is deleting. So there is automatic purging is there. If you enable this line in your configuration file, I said
Okay.
right CNF file, my.cnf file. If you give expiry log days is equal to 7 means MySQL itself automatically delete the binary logs older than 7 days.
Okay. Uh-huh.
If you not mention this parameter, the binary log size files will be there till 1 month or 1 year. It will be there and it will
Okay.
cause a problem.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
So manual purging is nothing but you can also manually purge if you don't want the automatic thing. But mostly everyone will keep that expiry log days is equal to 7. No one will keep this thing like this. Like this,
Mm-hmm.
no one will keep like everyone might have keep this thing in their scenario because no one will want their disk to utilize. So that case they will keep like that. And what they will do, they will purge the binary logs to this position. Okay, there is these are the commands used for purging binary logs. There is two things. We can purge the binary log to specific date and specific position. Okay,
Okay.
that thing I will let you know. For this, I will give you a video. So
Uh-huh.
after this, what he is doing means he is purging. He want to purge the data too. Like he is purging based upon the file. Okay, if it is timestamp means you need to give from sorry you need to give before. If it is file means you need to give two. Okay, this is the file mysql hyphen bin dot zero some value is there, right? This is the file
Okay.
name. So what he is doing,
Okay.
he is purging. If you want to purge till 18 means if you give 18 means 16 17 18 will go, only 90 20 will be there.
Oh, okay. It will be removed.
The whole files would be removed for purging manually. This is called manual purging.
Okay.
See
Got
here,
it.
Here he wants to give 20, it seems. So if we give this thing means all the binary logs will be purged, and if we give show binary logs, nothing will list.
Okay.
Only means only this one will be there. The before one will be removed. See, 20 means
Mm-hmm.
only 20 will be there. 19, 18, 17, 16 will be removed.
Okay.
So again the data is captured from 21, 22, 23, 24. Again he is giving this particular time. He is giving based on time.
Mm-hmm.
He is giving 11, 20, 30 minutes. Level R 20 minutes and 30 seconds he is giving on 5th of March 2026, 2016. In
Okay.
MySQL, first the year, then month, then date. So then we need to give the timestamp. So what it will do, it will purge the logs before this timestamp. For example, this 22 is before this timestamp means this 22 21 will go, only 23 24 will be there. You got
Okay.
my point? Huh? There are two things
Yeah,
based
yeah.
upon the files we can do, that is using two, and based upon this we can do. So this is called purging
Uh-huh.
binary logs. So using this we can reduce the space.
Got it.
Better we can give the manual automatic thing. We can keep the expire log days is equal to 7 in our CNF file, so that it will keep last 7 days file and it will purge automatically.
Mm-hmm.
So those two are the common things. These are the multiple way he is doing. If you want to learn, you can learn, but that is the most common way.
Okay.
What this command will do. He is giving now comma interval 1 day. Now comma interval 1 day means now means this function will consider today. Interval 1 day means it will go to the yesterday. He is purging the binary logs before yesterday. So what are the
Okay.
logs generated before yesterday? He is purging that. For that he is calling date sub function. Date sub means it will subtract. So now comma date addition means it's addition. Same like that. It's multiple functions are there in SQL. You know SQL, right? SQL.
Yeah.
Normal
Mm-hmm.
SQL. So that's the thing. Like date sub of now comma interval 1 day means now means today. He is deleting yesterday before yesterday by binary log. So he is giving this command. So this 25 26 logs are generated yesterday it seems. So it got removed. So again if he gives so binary logs, it is giving 26. See
Okay.
here I'm saying this right. You can also remove binary logs by expert log days.
Mm-hmm.
He's saying see, you need to restart the server. For changing this configuration file, you need to keep and then you need to restart the server. If you
Mm-hmm.
run the purge binary logs manually, I have said right. If you want to do manually, you don't want the server restart. You can directly log into MySQL and do like this. Log into MySQL and give show binary logs and you can purge directly.
Okay.
So this is the thing. I will paste this in that video in the notes. So we need to be cautious while purging the binary logs, especially in replication environment. Okay,
Mm-hmm. Okay.
in replication environment, because using the binary log only the replication is happening, right?
Yes.
So before deleting the binary logs in replication environment, you need to give show binary logs in the master server. Then you need to give show master status. If you give show master status, it will list which binary log it is running through, and based upon that, you need to remove. I have given the steps here how to remove the binary log safely. No, these are the steps. If you go through the steps, there is a master slave environment, bro. Okay, let us consider the master slave environment.
Okay.
This is your master, this is your slave. Okay, this is your master, this is your slave. The data will be sent from here to here. So which thing using binary log? Okay, this binary log will be, it will log all the changes happened in the master. Okay, then
Okay.
this binary log will be helpful in sending the replication to the slave. So, for example, let's take some of the binary logs are not read by the slave. If you delete that binary logs in the master means what will happen?
What will happen, bro?
Bro, simple, bro. Changes are written to binary log, bro. Okay.
Okay, whatever done in the master will be reflected in slave.
Slave, yeah. Some of the binary logs before going to slave it got deleted. Then what will happen? If you
Oh,
deleted
suppose.
manually, bro, you have deleted manually some of the binary logs, but those
Okay,
binary logs are not there in the slave.
okay,
Then what will happen? This data mismatch will be there, right? In master, the changes it has been changed and logged to binary log. You have deleted that binary log means that log was not there in slave means in the slave the same data won't be changed, right?
yes,
Because you
yes,
deleted in the master. Then how the data changes will happen in the slave? So before doing the purging in this kind of replication environment, you should be safe and you should be careful. That's the steps I am going to share with you now.
got it. Okay,
Okay, so let's
yeah,
take a scenario like how to safely purge. So before purging to the binary logs in replication, these are the steps. First, you need to give the show master status. Okay,
okay,
if you give show master status, it will give the output like this:
mm-hmm.
file name, position, bin log, file name, position. Those this is the file. So this
Okay,
is the current binary log file. So till 123 master have generated the binary log. If you give show master status, it will show like which binary log it is currently in. It is in currently writing this binary log. Okay. So before purging the master's log, you should not you need to log you could hear what they are saying. You should not purge any binary log that are still needed by the slave server older than current. So you need to delete the logs older than this.
okay.
You got my point. Give me 1 second. Yeah. So in master, MySQL one. Okay, sorry. Two, 120, 119, 118, 117, 118, 115. So these are the logs. Okay, in the master, minor logs in master. Only out of this, only out of this, only out of this, 115 came, 116 came, 117 came, 118 came. Okay, till 118 is there. But here, if you are manually purging, purge, you are giving command purge binary logs to MySQL dot hyphen bin dot 00122 semicolon. What you are issuing this command. Now what will happen? You are issuing this command in master. What will happen?
You are issuing in the okay. That will be deleted in the master
From
log.
where,
In the
from where to
master,
where it will be deleted?
00122, right? Okay, this is from 00 from starting to 122,
Yeah, it will be deleted.
right?
Now this will cause a issue in replication or it won't cause a issue in replication.
If you deleted in the master, yeah, it will cause issue.
Why it
I
will
mean,
cause a issue?
no, 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 no. Whatever we deleted in the master, it will be deleted in slave also, right?
No, no, it won't get deleted on slave. Slave we need to means yeah. If you issue the command, same will happen there also.
No, no. Okay, we need to do the same thing in slave also.
No. If you do in a master, it will do the changes in
Replicate.
slave.
Yeah, yeah. That's what I
Because we are
heard.
not, it won't replicate in the sense like, what the question I'm asking is,
Okay, go ahead.
whether you
Yeah.
have purged this till 1222, whether this will affect the replication or not. That's the question.
No, from as of my idea, like it doesn't get any issue in replication. Like whatever we
Why?
delete in master. So whatever we delete in master, it will be deleted in slave also.
Bro, clearly see, these are the binary logs in master, these are the binary logs in slave.
Oh, okay,
Here you
okay,
have done this command till 122 you have deleted. So manually you have deleted. So all this thing before 122 have deleted. But in
okay.
slave you are having till 18 only. 19 is not came, 120 not came, 121 not came. Then it will be a issue, right? These data won't be there in here, right?
Yeah.
Before
Okay.
this data getting replicated, you remove this. Then how this data will come here, and this will cause, it won't cause a replication, but what to say, the data will won't be here, right? The data consistency will be mismatched. So after some time the data, this replication may break.
Acha. Okay. Okay.
You got my point out?
Yeah, I understood. I just have one more question. So, okay, in slave we have up to 118, right? 118. So even if we delete masters from 119 to 122, uh, then you'll get in the slave the logs will get in the slave from 123. So it's perfect only, right?
Sorry, come again.
So if we delete till 122 in master, uh, so
Okay.
in slave we'll get the binary logs from 120.
How it will come? Because it is not transfer, right? See, bro. Still, this is means this is the.
It will replication is there means it will transfer automatic now, bro.
No, bro. Listen, bro. This is the current file that master is writing changes. Okay.
Okay.
This 123 is the current file that master is writing changes. So same like here, this 18 is the last file read from the master latest
Okay.
latest file, which means till 18 only it have done the reading from master. It won't be doing consistently. If 123 is running means same 123 won't run. Same this file will be this thing. If you are ordering something, you will get on the same minute, same day after a hour. No, right? It will take some process. Then only you are receiving the product, right?
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Like it won't take like that day, like one day and all. It won't take. It will take some time, like 10 minutes, 5 minutes is there. Within that 5 minutes, you are performing this command. Mean that it will be issue, right?
Yeah.
The data is as asynchronous. Asynchronous means it will take some time to replicate in the slave.
Okay.
It won't
Okay.
be correctly. If it is doing 123 means same 123, it won't come. This 123 might take some time to reflect here.
Got it. Okay.
That's what I'm saying. Same like that Amazon product thing. Like if you are doing any changes, if you are ordering anything, you are getting that immediately within a day, or within like what to say, within an hour. Within an hour you are getting. Suppose the product is in out of your city. That product need to come to your city, then to the hub, then you need to get this. So everything is there, right? So same like that only. It won't you replicate immediately. That's what I'm saying in this document. Like before purging, we need to check with these things.
Mm-hmm.
So ensure that slave or synchronized. If you give show slave status, same like that. mm, So before deleting this, you need to before issuing this command, you need to go to slave. Okay,
Okay.
in slave you need to give the show slave status command. So if you same in master, you will giving the show master status command. Okay.
Uh-huh.
So if you give slow slave status means you will get these two things: relay master log file. Okay,
Okay.
this relay master log file will have this value MySQL bin 00118, which means
Okay.
my master, the slave relay master is like it's reading 118 file. So you can get this relay master log file value is 118. So you will know like okay, till this file only my MySQL have till this file only the MySQL have read in the slave. So what you will do? But if you give show master status means you will get this file. One, two,
Acha.
three. Two
Okay.
things. In show
Mm-hmm.
master status, you will see this current file. In show slave status, in relay log, that relay master log file, you need to see here. If you give show master status, you will see this thing file,
Okay.
current file it will list. So based upon that, you can find. So master have read the file means master have write the changes till 123, but in slave the changes has been made till 118. So what I need to do, I need to delete the file previous to this. So what you will do, you will do the purge command here from 12222. You will give the command till one before 118. You will do simple. That's the thing. This is the safe purging in replication.
Okay.
This concept
Okay.
is understandable, right?
Yeah.
If you
Yeah.
want, I
Got it.
can link as well. Give me a second. Everything is there in the YouTube. Just you need that purging.
Okay. I need to
Will help
search
you
every
understand the
topic.
concept. You need to understand the concept. If you understand the concept, it will be helpful.
Yes. Now I'm able to understand. Like if I see the like real time, like so if I see the real time, then I'm able to understand. I mean, in the YouTube
Real time
video.
and all, you won't get this issue. Means mostly you will be keeping expire log days. In the worst case, I'm saying, if you keep
Uh,
expire log days, automatically it will keep last 7 days, and it will be no. It's not there. So this is
okay.
the document, this is the concept. So the I have clearly if you see through the this video, you can clearly understand this concept. So again, I'm repeating it again. If you give show master status, it will list the current file that is writing in the changes. So before purging binary log manually in the master slave, in case of replication, I'm saying, if it is a standalone, if it is only you have master alone, you can issue this command. If it is not a master, it is also having slave means you need to check both the thing. You need to give the show master status, and you need to check this binary log file, and same like that you need to give slow slave status, and you need to check this relay master log file. So based upon that, you need to purge the binary log.
Okay.
So these all regarding this. That's all. So binary log format. So there are multiple binary log format is there. One is statement based, one is row based.
Uh-huh.
Statement base is nothing but it will be in a file statement, like file it will be there.
Mm-hmm.
Exact the SQL queries executed on master. What are the SQL queries executed? It will write those queries itself. For example, in case of statement base, if you are issuing update something, if you are issuing any command, like if you are inserting into table a comma b values 1 comma 2, like this means this query itself will go and will change here in kind of statement. Okay,
Okay. Uh-huh.
whereas in row means it will store as a table, like a row changes, like which row were inserted. So in this case it will be captured like okay, in this a in this table a and b are changed, the value is 1 and 2. So it will change that thing only in spite of statement.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Also some people will give no now these kind of function they might call in the query. If you are running any query, like if you are running any query, okay, insert into table a
Mm-hmm.
comma b, here your in values you are giving now comma.
Oh,
Now means it will take the current date as the value. Now,
yeah.
comma
Uh-huh.
a. You are inserting like write this query. So in this case of query, the result of this function will differ on master and slave. So this is how the statement based format looks like. This is like it will have the timestamp and it will have the insert query. Everything it will be there. The log position, then query, everything. The file will be like this. Binary log file will be
Okay.
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 So
Uh-huh.
in case of row based, the file will be like this. Table ID 3. Table ID 3 means this particular table will have a separate ID.
Okay.
Table ID 3. It will be like this format. Table ID 3 flags 0 comment.
Where can
It's
I
not
see this row-based logging?
sorry.
Where can I see the row-based logging? If suppose like if a relay
I
log we
said
are
right, these are
seeing.
the binary logs. These are the binary log file which will be generated in this path. Defaultly binary log file will be in my master location, otherwise in this path will be there. If you open this file,
Okay.
it looks like this. If you open this file, if you want to open this file, you need to use this command. If you want to
So
this open this MySQL bin log, then you need to give the MySQL bin file,
okay.
and then if you give pipe more means you can able to view this file. This file looks like this.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay.
I'll copy this and I will paste here. So if you open this file, if you open this file, it will be looking like this. If it is statement based, it will have the statement. If it is a row based, it will be having only this thing. Instead of logging the SQL statement, it logs the changes to actual data. What are the data change actually happened? It log with that thing only. You can see the difference between these two format, right? It's having the
Okay.
in statement based, it's having the statement. In row based, it is not having anything. It just have a
Understood.
reflecting the table ID alone. Which table ID,
Okay.
which thing it has gone, it will be there. So mixed logging mostly we won't use. Mixed logging means it will be having the both. It will having the same this thing and as well as the row level thing. So with the row based logging, MySQL logs row level changes. That is, instead of logging the SQL statement, instead of logging the SQL statement, it logs the changes to actual data, like which row were inserted in the like which row has been inserted. For example, Alice is the third row, means third row has been inserted, third row has been affected. Like that, it will give. So in case of replication and all, you will be using this only.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Mostly, we will use row based. If someone asks like what is the binary log for binary log format you will use for replication, means you need to say the row based logging only we will use for replication purpose. So
Okay.
here they have mentioned it. This makes replicates more reliable as change are applied directly to the data. In spite of statement, it is applying the data, right? So it will be helpful, more speed and helpful, but this will grow large in size
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
comparing to that thing. Comparing to statement, this is large in size.
Okay.
That's all types of. So how to configure that? I have said right. You need to in CNF file, my.cnf file. You need to add these line. If you give
Yeah.
log bin, you can customly set the binary log position. You can give
Final
you
log
can
location.
yeah you
Location,
can
right?
give manual. You can create a own directory and you can keep that position location.
Okay.
Otherwise, it will defaultly create in it will defaultly create in data directory. If you give the path means it will if you give the path means it will create the particular path.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Then that's all. Then some maintenance and preventing disk space issue. You need to keep this 7 means it will keep only 7 days, so it will reduce the space. Then this log rotation, this is same only, this 7 days only.
Mm-hmm.
So mostly that thing only.
Okay. Okay.
That's all. if you
What else?
if you are having general log means you can disable that general log, because general log will to capture all the change, right? By disabling general log, you can reduce the disk space, or by keeping the general log last 7 days, you need to write some query in shell scripting. You need to write some any cron job. You need to write a cron job and you need to maintain the log like that. You need to do.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Mostly, the best practice for reducing the disk spaces, you need to keep all the log files separately than your data directory. That's the only thing. So that's all about the logging and disk issue. Now you just share your screen. I will just navigate and I will show the where the logs are located and how can we prevent that. Like that thing I will show say, and I will close this session for today. Then pending session is only with the replication from my side. If you feel I want to cover other than any topic, general log, if it is enabled in production or large level. If your database is large, means you can disable in that case general log. You can compress the large size file. Like if a backup file,
Mm-hmm.
okay, a backup file, let's consider backup.sql. Okay, this file is 2 GB. You want to reduce the size. What will you do? You will do gzip. Using gzip. Gzip is a command. You can unzip
Okay.
gzip backup.sql means it will reduce the size to around 300 MB. It will
Mm-hmm.
reduce the size partially. Okay,
Okay.
this is the thing we can do. Then removing older files. For example, let's take suppose in the particular disk someone have saved the old file like 2021 file, 2022 file. You can remove this older file.
Mm-hmm.
General thing is you can remove the older file than 10 days. You can keep 10 days normally any files which are in use. You can check with the team and you can keep the any files, but in the older than 10 days like this thing. Mostly these things will be used for disk space alerts.
Okay. These are disk space alerts. Acha.
Yeah, yeah.
But
This updated is
in companies like they usually keep older files years, right? Years.
no. They will move to the some they will ask the IT support and they will move to the S3 location, S3 buckets in AWS.
It's 3 buckets. Ah.
Hmm.
No, like okay. I'll tell you in the next class. Okay, regarding this. Okay, yeah, yeah. Go ahead now.
Whole 1 year means like data file should be there, bro. I'm saying these log files and backup files. I'm saying
Okay, okay. Got it.
data files you need to keep. You don't need to delete the data files because the data files maybe from 2017 you have created this instance. From that this database files will be there. You don't need. I'm saying you can delete these files, but deleting these files also should be followed by this manner only.
Okay. Yeah.
That's the thing. Yeah, that's all for today's class. You just I will share this document with you after this class.
Uh-huh.
You just share me the Zoom meeting link and I will get you to this topic.
All these files, right? Binary logs and databases. Tab databases I can see.
So each databases will be having each folder, and in that folder you will be having each IBD file. This thing. See IBD temp one, IBD data one, IBD IB log file, IB buffer pool, binary log. See here the binlog.00 is there. This is my binary log files.
Okay, okay.
So in this scenario, you haven't enabled the slow query log. Go enable slow query log and general log in configuration file.
Oh,
See,
your
undo
your
file is
voice is
there, right?
break.
See, undo file, undo underscore 001, undo underscore 002. That is the undo file.
Oh,
TMP1 is a temporary file where whenever you are creating any temporary databases, those details will be stored in those files. IB data one is the system database or the system the data consisting the system databases. Say system databases are there, right? MySQL performance schema. So all related these data will be stored in the IB data one file. Then MySQL sock is the connection layer, which will be helpful in connecting the client and the server. So these are the
uh-huh.
files. So yeah, that's all. These are the files will be there in my data directory. So these are the things which I have learned. So in this case, you haven't enabled the slow query log. If you go just enable slow query log and general log by keeping one.
Slow query log by keeping it one.
Okay, that is a requirement. Okay, I am the requirement giving person. I am asking like Akhil, can you please enable general query log and slow query log in the environment? So this is your requirement. How will you enable that thing?
Okay, first of all, I need to see the location. I don't know.
Why you need to see the location?
to
Okay, see
enable
the
uh,
location.
to
Yeah,
enable
see the
it
location.
like
But what I said earlier, like it will be defaultly in this path only, right?
okay in
Here it is not there.
CMF. Okay.
Okay, anyhow, you just go to the database. Like before you just go to the database and see. Just log into the database and give show variables like slow query log, general log, and see the.
No, even though you said correct, like even though if I need that also, uh, I can't. Yeah, this is off.
Yeah,
This is the location of it.
location and that is the file loader. So this is your binary log data directory position only where lib MySQL. So here itself you can enable the slow query log inside the MySQL without stopping. So how will you mean set space global?
Global. Okay.
Yeah, just need to give the slow query log is equal to one
Global means
without restarting. You can change for the session. For this session, you can enable the slow query log, and after if you exit the session, the slow query log will be disabled. Exit the
okay.
session means like if you do the restart means it will be disabled.
Okay, global means that meaning.
Uh, Global
Okay.
means it will be there. So now give slow variables like slow. It's enabled.
Yes.
Just give exit.
Yeah.
Then go to the binary log path. That path data directory path where lib MySQL. No, that is a log file. You need to go to that path where lib MySQL. The last one is the file name.
Okay. Okay. We are already that path only. We are already in
Yeah, that's what
MySQL.
I'm saying. That will be defaultly stored in the binary log only. Sorry, data directory only. See here it is there, below.
Okay.
Last one.
Okay. Slow log. Huh?
Yeah.
Oh yes.
So same like that for general log also.
Can I see this log?
Pipe, this is the log. As of now, no slow query is there, right? So it is coming like this. If any slow
Okay.
query is there, means that will be listed.
Okay. I think general log will also be here, right? We can see.
You haven't enabled that. You need to go and you need to enable, then it will come here.
Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah, the correct. Yeah, yeah.
Now you are understanding these things theoretically, yeah.
Yes, now I'm able to understand. First of all, we need to enable it, right, to get those logs in this location.
So what this is the cost. Like if you keep all these logs in the same data directory, means your data directory will be enlarged in size and it will be danger for your data because all the data will be in the data directory and also all the log files is also in the data directory. So everyone will grow in size. So that case, what you need to do, you need to create the log. You need to create separate directory log and you need to manually map the logs in that path.
Acha. Okay, okay. Uh-huh. So we have to create every log in a different location.
different folder, not in a data
Different.
directory. You need to create
Okay.
a separate directory log, and then you need to stop the MySQL, and you need to give that path for the log, and you need to give the with the extension. For slow query log, you need to give the path, and the end you need to give the slow.log, or otherwise you need to give slow.log. Same like that for general query, you need to create a separate folder, and you need to give that dot log for general thing in the CNF file.
Okay.
So if you read the document which I have shared, it will be helpful for you.
Got it.
Yeah, that's all from my end for today. Anything else you want me to?
Can you show? I thought I can see the replication topics like name. Uh, that's all. Is that replication? I mean,
No, no, replication is there, bro. It's just I just give the concept. You just go, you just go
so
create one
replication.
folder with like different. Yeah, replication is alone there.
Okay, so we have completed till here.
Yeah,
This is also not completed, I think, right? We have to complete
no, no,
troubleshooting
index,
also.
no, index creation and all I have given you in a separate topic, bro. I have set right performance tuning index. For that, you need to create an index. If you create an index, the index performance will be the query performance will be fast. Index and all I have taken right, bro.
On the first class, like second class, right? Regarding index.
Yeah. Only performance suggestion you as a DBA you can use the index. Otherwise, some InnoDB parameters I said right. InnoDB buffer pool size and all I have said right.
Yeah, yeah,
Have
yeah.
you got?
Okay, okay, okay.
Have done
Yes, yes,
everything?
got it, got it. I'll check once. So only replication topic we are left with,
Yeah.
and bash scripting.
Bash scripting and all shell scripting, bro. It's a separate language. It's same like MySQL. Sorry, Linux only. I will let you know. Bash scripting. Still, two things is alone pending.
Okay, okay. And
These
as
are
I
the
said,
basic things. So once you go into the environment, you need to browse a lot. You need to YouTube a lot. You need to learn things a lot. You need to handle errors. Then you will get mastered. So as of now, as like a 2 years experience, 2.5 years experience of a DBA guy must know these things. That's all.
acha, acha, got
Just
it.
give exit. Just give exit. You just
Okay.
create a manual folder and ship the logs. No, no, no. Come out of this. Give DFI if an H and see the disk. Only one disk is there. Okay, go to that var lib.
Where is it, bro? Where lib?
Give me 1 second. 383 MBs. Go. Give ls-ltr. You will see ls-ltr.
Actually, no, one thing, one doubt. Here the
There will
main file
show
is this one, right? Main folder is this one, right?
yeah main folder. That is the root disk. Yeah,
Root
8.8
disk.
GB.
Yeah, yeah. I was about to ask this one only. If we got filled this one, uh,
So
how to?
normally what we'll be having multiple disks. Normally we'll be having two disks. One main disk, root disk is for data directory, and you need to ask the team for another disk that is for only log, and another disk for only backup. You need to get three disks, one for backup, one for logs, one for data directory.
Oh,
So
okay,
once
okay.
those disks is provided, you need manually create and you need to change the path. That's all.
Okay.
Okay, bro. Then anything you have?
You just told me to create a folder, right?
Yeah, create. Not here. Okay, create a folder. Log. Create a folder log. Go to that folder log. In that log folder, create error log. Mkdir. Create error log. Slow query log. Error underscore log. Enter. Same. If you want to create binary log, binary log. Slow underscore log. Just give to no slow log itself enough. Slow query log is not needed. Then same like that. Give binary log. Slow log. Then create binary log. Three things it's enough if you want. Yeah, then enough. That's all. ls-ltr. You just change the permission for those. Keep 775. chmod 775 for all the folder.
775 read write akka.
Just give star. Just give star. It will change for
Okay.
all. Now you just stop the MySQL, go to your configuration file, and just give the binary thing.
Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm.
Stop the MySQL.
First you want me to stop it? Okay.
Yeah, if you are changing, if you are touching your configuration file, you need to stop the MySQL and then you need to start touch the things in configuration files.
Okay. Status stop.
No,
Stop
systemctl stop
MySQL D.
MySQL
Okay.
D.
Yeah, yeah, that one. Okay. Okay, just a second. Hmm.
You
Cool.
have stopped the MySQL, you can't able to log in.
Yeah, yeah, just I'm
Why,
checking
bro?
once. No, no,
No, you
bro.
need
I
to give
never
VA.
stopped. No, I never stopped. So that's why.
Okay, okay, fine, fine, fine.
Yeah.
Now give the change the log error path to that position. Have you checked
Okay.
that path of the file where it is
Uh,
located?
no, 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 no. I need to go back once.
Just give q star pwd cd error log pwd. No,
This one.
error log position you need to know, right?
Okay, okay, okay. Yeah,
You
this
need
is
to
a
give this
position.
path.
Okay.
Copy that path and give vi.
And first of all, insert, right? Insert error
Yeah.
log.
No. Below is there like log hyphen error.
Okay.
There we don't need to give like the error log. Log error means error log. Log hyphen bin means this bin log, binary log. Slow query log path means slow query log file. Slow underscore query underscore log. That thing I have given the document. You just give the file name, any file name, hyphen MySQL d dot log.
Okay, it will store all things here, all logs here.
Yeah. Just save, and after that check whether it is working. Then go with the other logs. Start MySQL now.
Start. Okay, okay.
Start and see whether the changes has been reflected. If you go to that path means you can able to see the error log. So there is it is showing fail. No.
Why?
You need to go to the error log and see whether what is the issue.
Uh, where do I want to go? Error log means this location. You want me to go to that location? Huh?
See any file has been created there. No, right?
No.
Maybe need permission. Give full 7.7 permission in for your log folder.
Oh, okay.
775 give log folder. Come back. Come back to root and come back, come back. For this log, what thing you have? Give permission for this log. Chmod 775 for the log, and then start the MySQL.
For log, that's it, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Log, where is the log? Okay, okay. And I'm entering.
Yeah, enter in. Enter and start the MySQL.
Just now entered the start MySQL. Come on.
Go to CNF file, VI, that CNF file. Log. You don't need to give hyphen, it seems. Hyphen you can give. You create a folder, just error log alone. Inside the log, create the folder error log.
Inside
Change
of
that to
folder.
error log, and again go there and change the folder as error log. You remove that underscore
Okay.
I and remove that underscore, and also go create a folder like the same without underscore and try again. Try without
RM, RM, right?
rm hyphen rm. If it is a file, you need to give rm hyphen rf. No. MV. For removing it is RM. For moving that MV. Uh, enter. Now start MySQL. Oh, why it is getting failed? Control% with error code. Give permission 777 for all the logs and that error log.
Here only.
Here also, there also. Both the side give 777 and try. Come back cd dot dot and give chmod 777 log. And then try now. Start MySQL. Just go to that where lib MySQL. Just go. சொல்றா கிளாஸ்ல இதுல இருக்குல்ல மீட்டிங்ல இருக்குல்ல. Bro,
Yeah.
yeah, here remove that MySQL dot log. Any log file is there. MySQL d dot log is there. No, here it won't be there. Where hyphen log it will be there. Where hyphen log. Give cd slash where slash log slash slash. No, not where var slash var slash log hyphen ls hyphen ltr. Here it is there, right? So MySQL user it is there. Okay, you need to change the user as a MySQL then. Okay, fine. Okay, go back, go back to that folder, before folder. See, give cd dot, give ls hyphen ltr, give to go to this log folder again. Change this user ch own chown wn MySQL semicolon MySQL. No. Alone MySQL semicolon MySQL semicolon. No, sorry. Semicolon, no, colon MySQL. Sorry. Not semicolon. Colon MySQL, then folder name. It will change the ownership of that particular directory. Space. No space. That error log alone. You don't give to slash and all. Front slash backslash is not enough, because that is a folder name already. You are in the path, right? You just give space, enter. Now start MySQL D. Job for MySQL D service failed because the control process exceeded with the error code. Run that command c systemctl MySQL D dot service. C system, and that, copy that and paste here. You can see the error there itself. What is the error it's showing? Here you can see the error. Could not open file. It could not open the file, it seems.
Oh, log error. Okay,
Log
the
error.
we entered in CNF file, right? So maybe
Yeah.
actually there is no file in the there is no file we mentioned in the error log file, but we mentioned in the
Just go
we
create.
created.
Just go create. CD error log, and then create a file. CD error log and create a file MySQL D dot log. Maybe
Just a
that's the
second. Just cd error log.
create a
Maybe
file.
log means is that a file? Okay.
No. It's a directory, bro. Directory. You touch space MySQL D dot log.
MySQL D dot log. I don't remember. Okay.
Now give the owner permission for this file. ch1 MySQL colon. No, bro. ch1 MySQL owner own MySQL colon MySQL, then file name.
What does it mean actually?
MySQL, bro. MySQL, which means like MySQL folder. You are making this file owner as MySQL. MySQL is a user. While you are installing MySQL, this MySQL user will be created.
Acha.
Just remove this MySQL D before enter. Give MySQL and enter. Then come back. Change the root user now. Change that error log owner ch own root/root for that error log root, same like that. In spite of MySQL,
I'm not getting what you're doing. Just I'm doing blindly.
bro, you are just changing the ownership of that folder, bro. Before you have changed that to MySQL, right now we are changing that ownership to root. Touch is for creating a file. ch1
Touch
is for
is okay. Yeah, this one I'm not
ch1 is
getting.
for changing the ownership of the file. MySQL is a owner. MySQL is a role, and MySQL is a user. One MySQL is a role, and another MySQL is user. It's changing that owner of that thing.
Okay.
Enter. Yeah. Now start the MySQL now. Now open this error, same error. I need it is not validating the disk. You need to create a log file under that var.
We
Okay, keep
created in the. Oh,
just
okay,
open
okay.
this systemctl status MySQL d.service. You can see the error. It is not recognizing the disk path. You just go and keep the old path itself. Var log, then MySQL d log. Go to CNF file and keep the old path and start the database.
Okay. How to change it?
Come below. Come.
What is the location?
Var log. Remove that error log and keep var log. So you do one exercise. So what you do,
That's it.
you create a error log folder. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Now start the MySQL. So now you do this exercise. What exercise means? Inside that var folder, create a log. Also, already in var log folder is there, right? Hello.
Where log folder is there. Yeah.
Yeah, var log folder is there, right? Inside that, try to create a folder error log without hyphen, slow query log without hyphen, and binary log without hyphen, and try to move that. And if you are facing any error, just let me know. And also make the changes before doing any changes in the CNF file. You just take a snapshot and because you need to revert that setting for again starting it over, right?
Okay, but just now we created error log file, right? But it doesn't work out
That's what I'm saying. You directly create it in the disk, in the
in
root
the
folder
where
itself. You
folder.
have created. I am asking you to create inside the var folder. Already log folder is there, right? Inside that log folder, create the error log and do. Previously, you have created here, right, bro? Inside the slash, you have created. I am asking you to create inside the var log folder is there, right? Log folder.
Yeah.
Inside this log folder, just go and create a error log and you just try like that. I'm saying. Now itself, I'm here. You just try creating error log.
Got it. Got it. Before where was? Oh, just a second. Just a second. Give me a time.
Before you have created an inside the root itself.
Okay. Where was this file
Now
before? It was.
before it was under the root folder, bro. Now you are under the var underscore log. If you give
Acha.
pwd, you can see the difference. You are under var underscore log. Before it was log only. You if you
Understood.
give pwd, you can get this.
Got it.
You
Got
just
it.
remove
Got
all
it.
the rm. Give star means it will give rm star. Star itself enough.
That's it.
Enter. Sorry, rm hyphen rf. It's a directory. Okay, rm hyphen star. Rm hyphen rf star. That's all. Okay, bro. You just do these two parts like creating. Otherwise, I
Okay.
will be on the call. You just go create the same thing inside the var log. Create a folder and
That's it, right? Error log.
give error log. Change the permission. Change the permission. 775. You just give error log. then you will go with the slow query log and all. Okay, give slow query log also. Create a folder slow query log.
Okay, we'll check for this because remaining I can do it.
No, 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 no. Give 777. Give 775 alone.
Why, bro? Why is not 775? Not 77?
771 means it's a full privilege. Like anyone can access. Others also can access. 775 means only the owner role can access.
Oh, okay.
Just stop the MySQL and again go to CNF and again give the path and you just go. Just give VI, bro.
Just a second, bro. I mean, I want to check this one.
Won't connect, bro.
Okay. Now VI.
Just I just change the name as error alone. Error alone. That's all. Start. Why this is not taking, bro? Just
Just a
open
second. Just a second.
MySQL
Like
d.log.
MySQL
But it
D
should be
dot.
cleared while restarting itself. No, no, only log. MySQL d.log. But it
Just
should
a second. Okay, okay, I understood. Just a second. Here, have you found my MySQL D log is there? Okay, we'll go for this one. Just a second. Okay.
but it will be created.
Oh my God.
Oh, it will be created automatically. I don't know why it is not creating. Just change there and just work upon this and just update me. Like Google and fix this and just what it is showing. Could not open file. Where log error log slash MySQL. Just give error.log. Instead of MySQL d.log, give error.log there in CNF file. In CNF file, stop and it's already stopped state only. Go to CNF file. It's already stopped state. Go to CNF file and give error.log in spite of MySQL D. Just go and give error.log.
Even though it does work. Okay.
Yeah. What is the error it's showing?
Same error. You want me to go for the error? Okay.
Create error log. Error log. Give touch error.log and give the full permission here. Error dot log and error dot log, bro, not error log. Give full permission. Start status. Give start. Hello.
Yes, yes, I'm giving, bro. Start. STRAT.
Okay, then change the position and change the location and just work. I also copy paste the error in next class. I will say and I will convey.
Okay, just a second.
Okay.
etc my.cnf, and here where log MySQL d dot log. అంతే కదా? That's it, right?
Yeah.
You can oh, okay, I think you knew about this. Okay. Next class, even I'll try. We'll see.
Yeah. You also try like how to fix this errors.
Okay. What happened
Yeah,
with
bro.
someone?
You might have given the password wrong.
MySQL root password. Okay. ROT. Yes, done.
Okay,
Okay,
bro. I
Abhijit.
have shared you the document. We'll see in next class. So next class will be the replication only. So meanwhile, you just work upon these things like how to enable this files. Also, if you say in this error log, you just giving the only the path. But in case of slow query log and the general log, you need to give one in the configuration file. Slow underscore query underscore log is equal to one, and then you need to give slow underscore query underscore log underscore file is equal to you need to give the file name. You need to give both the things. In case of error log, you will be giving log hyphen error. But in case of slow query log and general log, you need to give that one also because you are going to enable it globally. So that's the thing. Okay.
Okay, got it.
Go through the documents and work on that. Yeah.
Sure, sure, bro. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.